Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase baggage allowance after checking in on Esky. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Esky web application, which of course I have done right here. How to get in here? Launch in the browser of your choice and then locate the search bar in your browser. Now in your search bar, go ahead and type esky.com.ng. It's going to take you to the official website for Esky. Once you get to the website, check the top right corner of your screen and see the login option. Now click on login. Once you do that, flow through the on-screen processes to sign in successfully. And once you're done, it's going to take you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Esky. So now the let's hop into today's set, which is how to increase baggage allowance after check-in on Esky. Now from this fantastic homepage, it of course an incredible user interface. Scroll all the way down. Until you get to this segment of the website. Here you find plan your trip, you have learn more, you have airlines, and you have about Esky. Now from about Esky, you're gonna have a lot more options, extended options. You have about us, affiliate program, terms and conditions, booking management, privacy policy, and of course you have support and contact. Now go ahead and click on support and contact. Ta-da! Looking for help? Oh yeah, we're looking for help. Scroll all the way down until you get to the bottom of this page. Till you get to this contact form. Now this is where exactly we are going. Contact form. Now it says booking service. Get a help as soon as possible. Select the relevant topic and provide the required information. How can we help you? Here you have category right here. Click on this drop down menu where you have this category option, and now it says flight, online check-in, and then you have insurance, accommodations here, of course, you have visual. Now scroll all the way to this point where you have flight, because that's what we want. And then the next one is message topic. Go ahead and click on this drop down menu and you're gonna find what do you want, what do you want, what do you want, what do we want? Want to increase baggage allowance. And what does that mean? Adding luggage. Now click on that. Attention, you have to read this. The request to add additional luggage must be submitted no later than 48 hours before the flight. Ooh. After checking, of course, and it says before sending the request, read the information below. Rules of adding luggage on Wizz Air flight, rules of adding luggage on Ryanair flight, and then rules of adding luggage on other airlines. Go ahead and click all of these things so that you'll be aware and be well acquainted with the rules of adding luggage. And once you're done, you're satisfied with all the terms and conditions, go ahead to write to Esky. Now, type in your first name and your surname, type in your phone number, type in your email, your booking number sure it's correct, and your trip start date. Click on this calendar to enter your trip start date, and then your message. In your message, you're going to have to do this. Choose luggage that you want to add. You'll find tips above, and then choose passengers for which you want to add a luggage, and then choose the leg you want to add luggage on. In this message box, not more than 1,000 words, go ahead and fill out all of this. Ensure that you've answered or you've responded to all of these things provided here. Now once you're done letting them know the luggage that you want to add, go ahead and click on I agree to the processing of personal data provided in the form, and check this up, check this, check this, check this to show that you're not a robot. And once you're done, go ahead and click on send message, and once you send a message, Esky is definitely going to get your message and they're going to respond to you. So check your email from time to time to see if you have been responded to. You do not expect Esky to respond immediately because they have a lot of complaints to attend to. So give them some hours and they'll definitely respond to you. So this is the process. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.